Welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Barun, and in today's video, we will explore the Zapier Conversation Lifecycle Trigger and see how to automate the different stages of a conversation into your workflow for effective tracking. So to begin, let's head over to the account integration page, and under automation, we have Zapier. Our Zapier account is already integrated with the OnceHub account. Next step, just need to select the replication we are sending the data to. For the video, I'm using Google Sheet. Now, from the list of given triggers and actions, we just need to select the relevant trigger. So here, track OnceHub conversation lifecycle event by creating new rows in Google Sheet. So all I need to do is click on Add Zap. Now at this stage, it is setting up my Zapier account. So you will notice a lot of automation here. The conversation lifecycle event is already in place. It is setting up my OnceHub account, and it is also looking for our most recent data or a record for test purpose. So you can see the setup has been almost automated there. Now we can go ahead and take a look and verify this data as well. So here we have our most recent record for test. Then here our Google account, that is the Google spreadsheet, has already been set up. My only thing that I need to do is go ahead and configure it as per my requirement. So I'll go ahead and confirm the relevant drive that I want to send the data to. And then I will need to go ahead and select the relevant spreadsheet and the worksheet for mapping. Now, once I have this data ready, I will be able to go ahead and map this. So selected my drive. Now the relevant spreadsheet, the relevant worksheet, and it will present me with the relevant information for mapping. Now, since I'm using Google Sheet, these are the options that I have. For your relevant application, you will have your specific steps there. Now, it is completely up to your requirement on how you want to go ahead and map the data. For the video, I'm keeping it very basic. So let's say I'll go ahead and map the name, the email, then conversation creation time, status of the conversation, then to track which bot or form this particular conversation was initiated from, I'll go ahead and get the bot ID, then the conversation owner, and lastly, if there were any pre-session notes there. So I can just go ahead and map that there. Now, once I'm done with the mapping, it is going ahead and processing the data from the record that we pulled up earlier. And when I click on test step, it should go ahead and pass the data successfully to the relevant application, in this case, Google Sheet. So let's head over and take a look. Now here you can see all of the data is in place. So once you are satisfied that the information is mapped correctly and the data has been passed, you can just go ahead and click on publish. Now here we are all set. Any changes, be it creation or abandon or any changes to the lifecycle event of our conversation, will trigger a Zap and pass the data to your relevant application. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.